Hi everyone, this is the 23rd video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a nice little problem from the concept of laws of exponent and exponent equation. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video, give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Now here the question says that if 16 to the power m is equal to 8 and 5 to the power m plus n is equal to 125, then n is equal to which of the values, right? So we have to essentially find the value of n. Now from a quick look at the answer options, I don't think there is enough clue for us to be able to find out which one is the correct one, right? So I think we just have to solve the problem here. So let's try to solve it then. So here we have been given that 16 to the power m, so let me write it down, 16 to the power m is equal to 8. Now this is like an exponent equation, right? Exponential equation. And to solve this type of an equation, what do you have to do? We either have to bring them to the same exponent or same base. Now in this case, I'm thinking it would be easier to bring them to the same base on both sides of the equal sign. So from here, let's try to see, because 16 is a power of 2 and 8 is also a power of 2, right? So with that concept, now I'm thinking that can we write 16 as 2 to the power 4, and then we also have a power m which is whole to the power m, and that would be equal to 8. Can we write 8 as 2 cubed? Now from here, can we say that, well, 2 to the power 4 times m would be equal to 2 cubed? So then you can clearly see that now we have both of them in the same base. The base is 2 on both sides of the equal sign. So now we can say, well, because you have a same non-zero base, the exponent should be equal, right? The exponent of the left hand side and the exponent of the right hand side, they should be equal. So from here we can say 4 times n is equal to 3, and from here what do we get? We get m is equal to 3 over 4. So the value of m is 3/4, right? Alright, now we are going to use this result, the value of m, in the other equation that has been provided here. So now let's try with the other equation. So what do we have there? Well, there we have 5 to the power, so let me write it down, 5 to the power m plus n is equal to 125, and 125 is actually 5 cubed. So here you can see we have been able to bring them to the same base on both sides of the equal sign. So now we can compare the exponents. The exponents have to be equal now. So from here we can clearly say that the exponents would be equal. So that's what I'm writing here. So m plus n will be equal to 3. And from here, what would be the value of n? Meaning we have to find out the value of n. So n would be equal to 3 minus m. So that would be 3 minus m. And now let's use the value of m here. So that would be 3 minus 3/4, because we have already found the value of m. And if you simplify this to do this type of subtraction using fraction, the easiest way would be, say, 3 as 2 and then plus 1 and then minus 3/4. So 1 minus 3/4 would be 1/4 plus 2, so that would be 2 plus 1/4. And when a fraction is written like this, it's like a mixed fraction, and between the 2 and the 1/4 there is no sign. You have to assume that there is a plus sign. It's not a multiplication sign, it's an addition sign there. So it's like 2 as a whole number plus 1/4 as a fraction. So this is like a sum of 2 and 1/4, and we write it like this, 2 then 1/4 next to it. And now if you look at our answer options, you can clearly see that the correct answer choice would be option B. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.